In today's product review, we're going to have a look at Thor's top of the range Prime Pro gear. Now this gear is built to be more athletic and lightweight. They've built this for the serious motocross rider, but you don't have to be a serious motocross rider. If you're a bush rider and you do a bit of riding in the summertime, this will keep you nice and light, and also it's got a lot of air movement through it as well. It's got a lot of mesh through it. The gloves have got a lot of mesh, so it'll keep you nice and cool. The thing about this gear is you don't have to be the typical motocross athlete that's ripped to bits. Look, it fits me quite well. I'm, a larger sort of person, especially in the girth here, but it does fit well and it stretches all over the place. That's why it's not really, built for just one typical rider. It's built for all sorts of riders. It's just a lot more comfortable when you're on the bike. And you do notice a weight difference in these pants. They're very light. The top's nice and light, gets lots of airflow through it. It's got meshing in the back, so it flows through the body as well. So my thoughts on the Prime Pro gear: it's light, it's minimal, and very comfortable on the bike. You can't ask more than that from riding gear.